Hi, welcome to Luxury in Moderation, where we appreciate the finer things in life without going overboard. If you're new here, my name is Joanne, and every week I upload videos about luxury handbags and other luxury lifestyle products. So if you like what you hear, please consider liking this video and subscribing below so you can join me on this luxury journey. So in today's double unboxing, I am so excited to share. The very first bag is actually from the newest 21A collection, which was totally unexpected. And it's actually a bag that my mom picked up. So we happened to go to the Chanel store together on Tuesday, June 8th, which is totally out of normal for me. Like, I don't go to Chanel on a Tuesday evening after work. And we were both looking for bags for ourselves, and there was a ton of people, and I was like, why is it so busy? It's a Tuesday afternoon. And they were saying, oh yeah, the collection just dropped today, so a lot of people are coming by and taking a look. But it was weird because none of the new collection was on display yet. It was still from like the summer cruise collection. It was like bright pinks and bright yellows. So I didn't realize that the fall collection had come in that day. So anyways, while we were browsing, my mom was like kind of narrowing down her choices, and we were telling our sales associate what kind of bag she liked. She was like, I like a smaller bag, something smoother leather. So they brought out this bag and they were like, it just arrived in the store today. We think you'll like it. It's from the new fall collection. So here I have the unboxing footage, and you can see right away from the box size that it is a Chanel classic in the small size. And it is this gorgeous dark brown classic flap, kind of like a chocolatey brown, so it's super unique. I didn't see a lot of people talking about this. Honestly, I don't really look at the fashion shows and see which colors are coming out. It's in the lambskin leather, so super soft and supple. Here is some more details in the bag. So it doesn't have the day code. It has that new gold bar with the CC on it with all the electric information. So that is the first bag that I'm really excited to share with you guys. It was just so unexpected. I didn't even know they had this color, that it was coming out in the 21A collection, but my mom like snapped it up. She was a little bit worried that it was gonna be a trendy color, but I think because the brown is so dark, it's going to last longer than like a lighter brown would. So I'm really happy for her that she was able to get a bag that she wanted. She wanted kind of like an evening bag. So that was just the perfect size and color for her. So now let's get into the bag that I got, which is right here. So I've been so good. I haven't unboxed it since I brought it home on Tuesday. So this is a true unboxing. So actually, if you can tell from the size, it is not a bag. It is an SLG. So it is actually a wallet on a chain. So I haven't had one of these in my collection. Super excited. Ooh, so it comes in this black, like slightly velvety suede texture bag. So it's actually kind of like a scuba material. It's actually not like very velvety or suede at all, but it's cool. The Chanel is in black right there. It's imprinted inside. And can you guess what color I got? Wow. Look at this pink. So it's quite a bright pink. It has gold hardware. So it does have that magnetic closure. I actually specifically asked for a magnetic closure because I wanted that simple open and close. I didn't want the turn lock version. Ooh, it's quite a strong magnetic. And then this is the pink with gold chain, which I think actually looks really great. I think it wouldn't have looked so good on the silver hardware. then it's just the very normal, you have the 6 card slots inside, a slip pocket, and then a zippered pocket, and then this outer slip pocket right there. So again, this is my very first Chanel WOC, and I actually didn't think I would get one because it is so expensive, and I'll get into the price details in a second. But basically, my grandfather offered to get me a wedding gift, so I couldn't say no to a Chanel WOC, and basically that's why we were in the Chanel store that day. And I tried on a couple of different WOCs, so I'll show you some other ones that I considered. This one caught my eye immediately, and it was the first bag that I tried on. They actually didn't have that many WOC options. There was a blue boy WOC on display, and if you guys watched my 2021 wish list video, I did say that I was considering a boy bag. So I was like, maybe I should get the WOC in the boy bag style. So I did ask to try that on, and I love blue, but when I tried it on, maybe it was with my outfit that day, the blue was just a little bit like too bright, or it didn't go exactly, and basically I didn't love it as much as I love the pink. And then I also saw an evening bag version of the WOC. So for my particular Chanel store, I'd actually seen that WOC before. They actually had a whole tray of WOCs that I have looked at before, and this one with the bejeweled quilting pattern I had seen before, but this was the first time I tried it on. And I really considered it because I knew, this was going to be a special bag. My grandfather actually said, like, he wanted me to choose something that would be durable so that, I would have it for a very long time. So every time I look at it, I would remember him. So when I was going through my options of what kind of gift items, I was like, well, it definitely can't be shoes, and it can't really be clothes because those things wear out much faster than bags. So I really settled on the bag option. When I was looking at the evening WOC, my sales associate was like, it's definitely more for special occasions, although I think I could have rocked it with regular casual outfits. But then I started thinking about, the Chanel jewels falling out, and he says that does happen, even though they can fix it. It'll take a couple months to ship back and forth from France. And then I actually did notice, because that WOC had been in store for a while, that, it didn't look pristine. I actually think I saw like glue marks on it, just coming away from the jewels. So, I mean, ultimately, like, my heart was kind of set on the pink one as soon as I tried it on. I just wanted to make sure I didn't rush into it. So I was like slowly considering what other WOC options were in store. And honestly, that was it. Like, there was not that many other WOCs. He was like, for some reason, they just, sold out. Like, the whole tray of WOCs that they had, it probably solely got sold out last year because they didn't get any new stock. So everyone was buying up whatever was available. I did also try on a reissue that was in like a blue suede or velvet material, and the color really caught my eye. The fabric really caught my eye. It just looked like a jewel. But trying that on and figuring out the turn lock on the reissue style really solidified that I don't love that style. It's just a little bit too fiddly to open and close it. And I actually tried it on, like, what would it look like if it hung open? And I didn't like that look. Plus, I knew that the material would wear out very quickly, or much more quickly than leather. So that kind of didn't fit into my grandfather's stipulation that it had to be something that would last a long time. They actually did have a reissue version of the WOC as well, but it was in the distressed calfskin and the chevron pattern, so just like a regular reissue, just in the WOC format. And it just didn't appeal to me. So that was my shopping experience at Chanel. It was really fun to try on all these things, even though it was busy. Like, my sales associate was really great. So let's get into some of the details here. The flat bag was $6,200 USD, and then in my state there was almost $500 in tax. And then the WOC price was $2,650, and then there was about a $200 tax. So let me actually just see what collection this WOC is from, because it's not, oh, it is also from the 21A collection, and it is in dark pink. So that's surprising. I actually thought it was from a previous collection. But it just says, oh, mini bag NC 633. Let me just see what this string is attached to. Okay, so there's a blank tag in there. Oh, and there you go. This is where the new electric barcode sits in the WOC. So it's in the zippered compartment. So no date code. So that's a nice surprise for myself too. I can't wait to carry it and show you guys some photos of how I style it on my Instagram. So make sure you follow me over there. Thank you guys so much for watching and for spending your time with me. If you like this video, please remember to like and subscribe below. And I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye.